So you loved an audio in an Instagram reel and now you want to set it as your alarm tune for waking you up.
तो हमें ना छेड़ कि फिर जोशे अश्क से बैठे हम कतहिया तूफान किए हो.
For example, this reel has the audio that you want to use on your alarm tone. So what you have to do is you have to tap on this share button available on this reel and simply tap on copy link. And after that you have to minimize Instagram and go to your app store as you are on iPhone, and you have to go to the search button and search here documents and hit the search button, and when this document app appears up you have to tap on it and install this documents file manager and docs application. As I have already installed it, so I'm gonna continue. After installing it you have to open this application and tap on this browser button available in the bottom right. Next you have to open a new tab and go to Google. This browser works absolutely the same as your normal browser, and search here Story Saver Instagram and hit the search button and open any website that appears up. Paste the link here that we have just copied and tap on this download button. Tap on save as video and this video will be downloaded in your application. If I open up downloads, this reel is being downloaded. You can also download this reel directly in MP3 format. This will be better for you. And after downloading it, you have to tap on this folder icon available next to the reel, and as this reel is currently residing in this documents app, so we have to shift it into our files. For that purpose, you have to tap on these three dots and tap on share, scroll through this page and tap on save to files. Give your video any name and press the save button. Now this video has been saved into your files. Now after saving it to files, you have to transfer it to your music library. Now how you will do that, that is a bit lengthy process, so you can watch any other video for moving an audio from files to your iTunes library. By the way, after shifting that, you have to go to your alarm section and open any alarm, go to the sound and tap on pick a song, and when that song will be moved to your library, it will be displaying here. From here you can choose it as your alarm tune. So that's the whole process of using a sound from an Instagram reel for your alarm tone. By the way, after seeing all this process, I'm sure that you're gonna skip it. Thank you so much.